was better.
Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad Ki Sangma ula Pynbna ya kasong Pisa ke balai pekundai Klur nak ke Bynta ke Jingeh Hills Autonomous District Council ban Shimkhia ya ki Jingeh ke Liang ke Pisa ke tingka. Kini kasong ke kentup ya ke Arpo Klur tingka ke balamang nak ke Jingsiu ki bedangsa syaga council buat sa ke kandai Klur tingka ke ba on sepelaj hapadeng nilai tayo. Ka Jingeh ke Liang ke Pisa Jhadc ke dai namar ke Jingta ke balami haswa na ke Jingkhang ti doyong ke belakta shi ke dai ya ke khajna bat ya ke Jingslam ban wan pai biang ke Pisa. Kin sadonru ke Jingelang ki ban sapelong ban wat ikilat ki lenti na ke Bynta ban sandur aga ban ne slam bat u sembut Menteri Rangba Kejela uba sngau bahalang dhar.
We will be following up this meeting by having another meeting in the next 2-3 days. Deputy CM will be meeting them, and then post that we will be meeting other at finance level and other levels to then again further discuss the matter. I hope that as we move further, we are working on a long-term solution to this problem so that once and for all we can see some kind of financial stability in the council, but it's still in planning stage, so I'll refrain from giving details right now.
Hakawai ke Liang